Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. This is another special video. This is an install of the Lesem LED headlights for 09 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2500. This one here is a 2012 4th gen. I got the factory lights in here. I have the low and high beam, not the projector ones. So I'm going to get these switched out for the Lesem LED ones. They're basically competing with like Alpha Rex, Morimoto, and they should have really good light output. They look amazing, which you'll see here in the video, but for now, I'll show you how to install them. And first I gotta pop the hood on the truck. I love those RBP running boards. Those things are so nice. And to install the headlights, I'll show you what we do. First, we need to take off the grill, which we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts to remove. And then that grill will pop off. There's 2 clips, 1 clip down here, 1 clip over there. You just pull and the whole grill will pop off. There. Then your whole grill just pops right off. So then the next step is remove this bolt here, and then there's a couple bolts underneath, which I'll show you in a minute here. Let's see. This one's a headlight one, so we'll keep these separate from the grill bolts. So our next couple bolts are up under here in your fender well. You just open this cover. Pop this bugger open, which is a little bit of a pain. Just push up, and 1 bolt is right there, yeah, I think it's just that 1 bolt right there, and then that white clip, we got to slide that down. That white deal, we got to slide that down. That should be able to slide right on out of there now. Alright, now that you got that done, this whole headlight should slide out of here, and then you just got to undo your connectors on the back. On this one, I got to be careful of this LED bulb right here. Try and get that undone. I'll pull that out of there, like that. And now this whole thing should slide out of here. There we go. I'll undo our wire harnesses. And there we go. Alright, so now that you got everything unplugged, we've got our fancy headlights here, and on the back of here you have your connectors, which will just plug into your stock harnesses for your stock bulbs. So I'm just going to flip this around and then try and figure out which one goes to what here. This one I think goes over here. This one would go in here. Alright, so then you just hook up your 2 harnesses here to the stock locations, and then once that's done, you just slide this into place. Make sure this little ball here, can you see it? Make sure this goes into there. So we'll just kind of line that up. Where are we at? Oh, there we go. Okay, I think we are in. Ooh, that looks nice. Look at that. Damn. Alright. Do we have parking lights? Holy cow, guys. That looks awesome. Look at that. That is so much better. That's freaking amazing. Alright, now try low beam, which should be the top one. That's low beam. Okay, so now if you slide this down, Oh yeah, Yeah, those are bright. That's low beam. And now we'll do high beam. Okay, there we got high beam. Dude, that looks freaking awesome. And high beam on here is, it's both the top ones and the bottom ones. So it's all four of them. That's what I was hoping. That is freaking great. Damn, that looks nice. Holy. Guys, these things are worth the money just looking at it like this. If the nighttime performance is anything what it looks like, these buggers are freaking awesome. All right, now we'll do a turn signal. Yeah. All right, guys, there's our turn signal. Check that bugger out. These headlights are absolutely amazing, guys. They look crazy. All right, we'll shut that off and get the other one put in. Alright guys, this is to compare, this is a stock headlight over here, and this is the Lesem LED projector headlight over here. So I'll just give you a rundown of parking lights, low beam, then high beam, and then flashers, so hazard lights, which would be your turn signals. Alright guys, let me know what you think down in the comments, but I think this side wins by far. Alright guys, here the truck is done. Got both the Lesem LED projector headlights in here, and they are looking good. As far as fit and finish go, they're not too bad. You do need to kind of move them around a little bit to get them where you need, so you don't have much of a gap down below or up top. So this one here fits really nice. I'll just give you a quick example. So that one fits super nice. This one here, I need to loosen the two bolts in front, and then I can kind of push it back and slide it over a little more to lessen the gap up here or along that side there. So I gotta pop the hood, take the grill off again, undo those two bolts, and kind of move it that way. So, but other than that, shoot, once I get that lined up, yeah, these buggers are sharp, man. They're really nice. Look at that. I couldn't be happier. So let's let me get my key, and then we'll do the lock, unlock, that type of stuff. All right, so I'm gonna hit the lock right now. Got my key fob here. Okay, hit lock again. Okay, doesn't do anything. Let's unlock. Okay, unlock, low beams come on. Now if I double click, okay, that was unlock again. Now let's start it up. Man, does that look nice, but I don't know about that blue light in the middle there. That looks sharp as hell, but oh, that blue. I don't know. Cops may, they may not like that. We'll see. I can kind of give you an idea. It's even bluer than that in person. As hard as that is to believe, but I mean, it looks cool. Looks really cool. Well, let's turn on the headlights, see how that looks. Alright, now we got high beam on. That looks ridiculous, guys. That looks so nice. They are tipped down a little bit, I think. But that's alright, because 8 inches plus 37, so I'm not going to complain about that. I might adjust them up a tad. We'll see. Let's dim this down. There we go. Yeah, in person they're really bright white. Boy, those look nice. Hey, here's what they look like as far as that blue light I was telling you about. These are on low beam. These are sweet looking headlights, guys. Really, really nice looking. I'll shine them up against the garage so you can see what kind of beam pattern we got going on. Alright, so that right there is the low beam pattern. It's got a super nice cutoff line. And now we'll do high beam. Okay, so there is high beam. And it's still fairly daylight out. So we'll see once it gets dark just how these things look. This is the new headlights on high beam with my fog lights. So it's turning fog lights off. That's without fog lights. That's low beam. That's high beam. I'll slow down here. There's low beam. There's high beam. And there's with my fogs.